What up everyone, it's G-Rex Bomber here. I'm back with another video, and it's gonna be a short little unboxing I got from Amazon. It's one of the coolest figures that I finally got for a good decent price, and hopefully it doesn't really weigh a ton. So let's open this up and see what I got. Man, my mom treated me so good with this. Can't wait to see. I can't wait to see. Here. Holy crap, at a shingle. I finally got this figure, though it comes bubble wrap. Who cares about that? I got the WWE Elite Collector's Edition of the one and only Sensational Sherry. Man, I like this figure. I finally got it. Yeah, I need a good angle here. There we go. So yeah, there you guys have it. This is my Elite Collector's Edition Sensational Sherry I finally got in the mail. I know you guys are saying, oh, the Amazon is now taking over almost all over the places. But don't forget, you can also go to ringsidecollectibles.com. And their deals are sometimes when the holidays come or when the pay-per-views come, they always go to put out a good sale. So, anyways, that's Sensational Sherry I got here in the mail today. And please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and tap the little bell on your YouTube apps to never, ever miss an upload. G-Rex is finally out.